Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is negative 19 to the power of n equals 19, solving for the value of n that satisfies this equation. Now, negative 19, I can express it as negative 1 times 19. So, negative 1 times 19. This is raised to the power of n equals 19. Now, I can decide to distribute this n to each of the terms here. Remember, a times x raised to the power of c equals a power c times x power c. So this will be negative 1 power n times 19 power n equals 19. Let's introduce natural log. I have natural log of negative 1 power n, then times 19 power n equals natural log of what? 19. Now, if you have natural log of a times b, this equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. So, applying that here, we have natural log of negative 1 power n plus natural log of 19 power n equals natural log of 19. And natural log of a power b equals b times natural log of a. N comes behind natural log, n comes behind natural log. So we have n times natural log of negative 1 plus n times natural log of 19 equals natural log of 19. N and n here, I can factor that n. I have natural log of negative 1 plus natural log of 19 equals natural log of 19. And from here, if you have e power I times pi plus 1, this equals 0, meaning e power I times pi equals negative 1. This negative 1, I'm going to replace it with e power I times pi. So, I will simply have n times natural log of e power I times pi plus natural log of 19 equals natural log of 19. And remember again, natural log of a power b equals b times natural log of a. This comes behind this. So, I will have n times I times pi natural log of e plus natural log of 19 equals natural log of 19. Now, natural log of e is 1. That means we are simply going to have n times I times pi plus natural log of 19 equals natural log of 19. Isolating n by dividing this by I times pi plus natural log of 19, dividing this by I times pi plus natural log of 19. This cancels this. So I simply have n equals natural log of 19 divided by I times pi plus natural log of 19. That is our solution based on this method. Let's consider another method of solving this wonderful exponential problem. Negative 19 to the power of n equals 19. And this time around, we are going to start by expressing this as negative 1 times 19 to the power of n equals 19. And we can make use of natural log. I have natural log of negative 1 times 19 to the power of n equals natural log of 19. And remember, natural log of x power y equals y times natural log of x. So applying that here, the n comes behind this. I'll simply have n times natural log of negative 1 times 19 equals natural log of 19. So right now, I will have n times this, I'll have natural log of negative 1 times 19. Now, if you have natural log of A times B, this equals natural log of A plus natural log of B, right? So we apply that here. So this would be natural log of negative 1 plus natural log of 19. Remember, and we'll multiply everything here. And this equals natural log of 19, right? So at this point, I can have n times natural log of 1. If you have square root of negative 1, this equals I. Then if you take the squares, this cancels this, we have negative 1 equals I power 2, right? So we have natural log of, instead of writing negative 1 here, I have I power 2 plus natural log of 19 equals natural log of 19. Now remember also, natural log of A power P equals P times natural log of A. Applying that here, the 2 come behind this, I have n times 2 times natural log of I plus natural log of 19 equals natural log of 19. Now, isolating n here by dividing this by 2 times natural log of I plus natural log of 19. Also divide this by 2 times natural log of I plus natural log of 19. This cancels this. I have n equals natural log of 19 divided by 2 times natural log of I plus natural log of 19. Now, we can leave it this way. So we have two valid solutions right now. We have n equals natural log of 19 divided by 2 times natural log of I plus natural log of 19. Or we also have n equals natural log of 19 divided by I times pi plus natural log of 19. These are the two solutions based on what we have solved. Now, for you to compare this, each of these solutions obviously is correct. Any of them is correct because this value here, which is 2 times natural log of I, is obviously the same as I times pi. So, depending on the complex value that you choose to use or the complex identity, it's either you have this one here or you have this one here. They are actually the same. So if you have this as an answer, you are correct. If you also have this as an answer, you are obviously correct. So guys, this is it. And I believe you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.